As dawn breaks, the tranquil waters mirror the promise of life. Water, the source of existence, is a silent witness to the peace that thrives in its abundance. The parched earth and the drying well are harbingers of a crisis where water becomes a privilege, not a right, and peace is a distant dream chased by the shadows of conflict. But there is hope on the horizon. When hands join across divides to protect and share this precious resource, water becomes more than a necessity, becomes a bridge to peace. Every drop conserved, every river that flows free is a testament to humanity's collective spirit to foster harmony.